डिक्टेशन विल बी स्टार्टेड इन फ्यू सेकंड, बी रेडी। डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट होने से पहले ये कुछ वर्ड हैं, डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड हैं, इनकी प्रैक्टिस आप लोग कर लीजिएगा। डेटॉन्ट, ठीक है, डेटॉन्ट का मतलब शांति बनाए रखना। पेजेस्कियान, इसको आप एक नाम के तरीके ले लीजिए, ठीक है। पेजेस्कियान, ये है अयाटोला। फिर है व्हीलिंग, व्हीलिंग का मतलब जो पर्दा होता है। और ये बराए, ये सब हिंदी में होती थी ना, बराए सवैया, तो ये उस तरीके की पोएम टाइप की, तो ये है। तो ये कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड हैं, इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा। उसके बाद चलिए मैटर पे आते हैं। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। आर प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शंस इन ईरान फ्री एंड फेयर? साइन ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क। हार्डली। Stop. A stark tell is that instead of being selected by political parties, candidates are tightly screened by a guardian council beholden to the Ayatollah. Stop. But against this background, the divergence in the two finalists' platforms was all the more striking. Stop. The victory of reformist Masood Pezeshkian means a great deal more than a first glance at Iran's political system would suggest. Stop para. On domestic liabilities, Servin Hajipour, whose Barai became an anthem for anti-government protests, has been sentenced to 3 years in prison. Stop. Pezeshkian's campaign chose to play this song because of dancing in the street, because of fear while kissing, because of my sister, your sister or sister. Stop. In sharp contrast, the defeated conservatives advocates even stricter controls on women, to strengthen the sanctity of the institution of family. Stop. So, although Pezeshkian has not gone as far as to call for an end to compulsory wheeling, one real change his elections should deliver is a climb down of morality police. Stop para. On foreign relations, on the core national principle of anti-Israelism, no shift has been indicated by Pezeshkian. Stop. Plus, there is no sign that the Ayatollah will loosen his fierce grip on major policy decisions. Stop. But the world has taken note how Pezeshkian has admitted that fixing Iran's economy needs lifting of US's sanctions, which in turn means resolving the standoff over its nuclear program. Stop. Many who have voted for him blame their own plight, such as having had to substitute lamb with lentils, on their government isolating their country. Stop para. On Indian interests, Iran has managed to ward off economic collapse by increasing oil production and sales. Stop. Once the US waiver allowing import to Iranian crude ended, India stopped buying it in FY19. Stop. But in the years leading up to this, Iran was a big source of crude oil for India, sometimes the third biggest, sometimes the second biggest. Stop. Now, roughly 90% of Iranian crude goes to China. Stop. An Iran-US detente would be good news for India and the world. stop, of course, comma, another election, comma, Trump's, comma, could undo all pages, Kian movement in this direction, stop। गाइज अगर डिक्टेशन पसंद आई हो तो इसको लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।